What's up? So today is Monday and I'm on my way to a casting. I am going to run and get my buddy Abby because we're gonna go together. She's really the reason that I'm going because otherwise I wouldn't have went. I do need to get like comp cards printed, which I don't have. I'm gonna run to UPS real quick to see if they can print some pictures for me. For my hair, I just put it in a little bun. I think either later today or early tomorrow I'm just gonna have to go ahead and do it because I have to submit trigger casting for my hair tomorrow, like for a hair gig. So, and then this week I'm definitely working out. That'll let me finish getting my stuff together and run over to UPS. Just made it back in. The casting went pretty good. I'm really glad that I went. Shout out to Abby because otherwise I wouldn't have went. But I had a lot of fun with her. I always have a lot of fun with her. But I will show you guys what I got from Trader Joe's. I didn't really get too much because I still have groceries from my last visit. But I got their green tea. I love drinking green tea in the morning with some lemon. I got some whole wheat bread. I went ahead and got a ginger beer, which I love ginger beers. I just don't have bottle openers, so this will be fun trying to figure out how to open. Got some more honey for my peanut butter banana honey toast. Another cucumber and watermelon for my cucumber watermelon salad. It has become like my new favorite salad. Some more dumplings. And then Abby has been telling me to try this for the longest. It's the everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend. She said this is great for avocado toast, so I'm definitely going to try this tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to put up my groceries. I'm going to take a shower, then take a nap, either clean up or do some editing, and I will see you guys tomorrow. So I just made me some breakfast. I scrambled some eggs and then I mashed up some avocado, added some red onion. Then I just put a little bit of this seasoning from Trader Joe's. This is my first time trying it. After I eat, I actually need to do my hair today. I'll probably do it once I get back. I'm gonna go make a couple of returns to get some money so I can pay some bills. And then I need to do my hair to submit this casting for this hair company. So I did my hair, as you can see. I finished my virtual audition tape not too long ago, and I just made some dinner. I have been making this constantly. I'm obsessed with it. It's just pork dumplings from Trader Joe's, and then it's watermelon, cucumber, and feta cheese salad. It's like my favorite. And then after I eat, I'm gonna do some editing, and then I'm gonna try to clean up a little bit and then get ready for my shoot tomorrow. Good morning. Today is Wednesday, and I am getting ready to go to a shoot. It's gonna be a quick shoot, but I had to come with my hair and makeup ready, so I already did my makeup, and I am brushing out my clip-ins now. They used one of my pictures to show how they wanted me to style my hair and makeup. So my hair, they actually wanted it to be kind of like this, but I'm not trying to put heat on my hair, so I'm just gonna straighten these out and just add a little bit more fullness to my hair with the clip-ins. I'll have these clip-ins linked below. They are by Sunder Kesh. I did end up adding just a slight bend to my hair because I was feeling guilty because I'm like, this is what the client wants, and I'm just gonna go ahead and give it to him. But this is the only day I need to put heat on my hair, so the rest of the week I will definitely protect it and keep it moisturized and stuff. But let me put on my clothes, pack my model bag, and let's go. So I have a bigger model bag today because they needed me to bring some jeans and some white sneakers, and then I brought my makeup bag to do touch-ups. But I'm gonna put on my clothes. All right, I just realized that I didn't have a white tank and I have to bring one, so I need to run to the store. I have like 40 minutes to try to get it and then make it to the shoot, so I'm gonna rush for the rest of this part. The top I'm wearing is just my usual top that I wear from Zara. I couldn't find my black tank, so this is why I'm wearing this, and it's still snow outside. Then just getting on some black skinny jeans and then these black boots that I got from the Canadian site. Put on my coat and I need to run out of here. It's about 7 o'clock. I am making some pizza for dinner. I have not been doing so good on my diet. So I told myself after Valentine's Day I'm going to like be back on top of it. But the shoot went really good. It was really easy. Just had to model a few jackets, and I came home and I've just been cleaning, so I just finished, and I did some editing, so there's a video being uploaded tonight. And then I need to work on some therapy homework now because I have a therapy session in the morning, and I'm just gonna chill out for the rest of the night. So I will see you guys tomorrow. For my hair, I am gonna just wrap it up, and I'm gonna keep the little clip-ins in my hair. Wednesday is Thursday, and I'm going to go do a little bit of side hustling to make some extra cash. For my hair, I wrapped it up last night, and I still have the clip-ins in here. Take this front clip-in out because I don't feel like I really need it. And I'm actually going to use the Cantu Edge Stay Gel because I do love the Got To Be, but I forget how much it like crust up with the makeup and stuff, so I don't feel like dealing with that. I'll just use this. Alright, so this is all I'm doing for the hair today, and I will see you guys later. Good morning. So it's the end of the week, and I am going to go help out someone to make a little bit more cash. My hair, I didn't wrap it, as you see. I was like not in the mood last night for anything. I'm just gonna wear my hair like this for today, and tomorrow I'm finally gonna work out, and we'll see how my hair holds up with working out and this little bit of keratin treatment I have left. So I just got some more leather in the mail. I want to show you guys real quick because I'm going to start making a different style of bag. So he sent me quite a few skins, and I really like all of them. He wanted me to approve them, and I'm hoping that they're the price that I asked them to stay within. I don't think these are because the quality is way too nice, but I'm going to take these to the tailor today so he can start on the bag, and hopefully I can have it by Monday because it's a pretty simple bag. So today is Sunday, and I was gonna work out, but it's that time of the month and I just feel really blah. So I'm gonna continue to lay low, do some editing, and I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you want to see how my hair holds up with working out, make sure you subscribe because that'll be in the next video. Y hasta el próximo video. Ciao.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.